So I got an SEO related question here. When you choose your keywords, do you use short keywords where there might be plenty of competition, or would you do long word keywords where it still has a good amount of traffic and you can most likely go to the first page? Okay, I mean, who would mind uh, opting for a long tail keyword where he has a higher chances of getting the first position, getting traffic, as compared to targeting short keywords where you have a very less chance of getting ranked due to high competition. So you answered your question yourself, like you can most likely go to the first page with the long tail keywords and you can get ample of traffic through that. And once your long tail pages starts to get ranked, what you can do is you can use those pages, do internal linking, and target eventually on short keywords. Okay, once you do it, what you can achieve through this is that once your long tail keywords get ranked, you can achieve tropical authority where you have an authority in a specific niche, and now using silo structure you can rank for short keywords as well and get them ranked. Okay, what I'm trying to say over here is that the silo structure means to have creating a relevant set of structure of articles targeting your keyword through synonyms or close variations or long tail keywords which are relevant to the main short keyword, to create a silo structure where you send a signal to Google that your website is all about a specific topic or specific niche, and that is how Google is going to assume that your website has a tropical authority on a specific keyword niche, and then eventually you will start getting authority which can help you in getting your website ranked for short tail keywords as well. So ideally at start you are going to work with the long tail keywords, and eventually you have to focus to short tail keywords to get third ideal traffic as well. So it's easy to rank long tail keywords as compared to short keywords, because long tail keywords has less competition, easier to rank, as you yourself said that you can most likely go to the first page, so you can most likely go to the so I mean it's better to have few traffic than to have none traffic. So if you focus on short tail keywords at start, you will eventually get disappointed. So rather getting disappointed, focus on long tail keywords which has lesser competition, easier to target. Once you get traffic on long tail, you can use that you can use those pages through silo structure to create a version to get tropical authority which can help you in getting even your short keywords to get ranked as well. I hope you like this video and make sure to subscribe to this channel, and in case you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.